Changing an Enfield speedo cable. First, take the wheel off. Next, undo the little slotted crosshead screw that holds the clamp for the hub end of the speedo in place. Gently pull that end of the speedo cable out of the hub. Put the new one in and screw it up. Undo the screw and replace it with the new cable in the new strap. Inside the car, you've got to remove this homemade contraption so that the speedo cable will attach directly here. So the brand new speedo cable's been pulled through, and we just need to tighten the ferrule up, 7/16 ferrule, tighten it up on the back of the speedo. It's all good to go. And look, no speedo cable noise. Lovely.